Welcome to the lush world of breadfruit, a staple food with roots that intertwine deeply with the culture and survival of tropical regions.
Breadfruit is originally from New Guinea, the Philippines, and the Indo-Malay region, highlighting its rich history in these cultures.
It was spread to the Pacific Islands by Polynesian settlers, showcasing its ancient journey and importance in seafaring and exploration.
Breadfruit gets its name because when cooked, it resembles freshly baked bread in both texture and flavor.
This fruit is not only a tasty treat but a powerhouse of nutrition, packed with potassium, vitamin C, and dietary fiber.
Breadfruit is a versatile ingredient that can be used in a variety of dishes, from savory meals to sweet desserts.
It can be eaten at various stages of ripeness, offering a range of flavors and textures, from potato-like to custard-like.
Breadfruit trees are incredibly efficient producers, capable of yielding up to 200 fruits per season.
A single tree can provide a sufficient amount of food to feed a family, highlighting its potential in combating hunger.
The wood of the breadfruit tree is resistant to termites, making it a valuable resource for construction and craftwork.
In some cultures, breadfruit is fermented into a traditional dish, showcasing its integral role in culinary heritage.
The leaves of the breadfruit tree also have medicinal purposes, used in traditional medicine to treat various ailments.
Breadfruit is seen as a key crop in the fight against climate change, thanks to its ability to provide abundant food with minimal inputs.
The International Institute of Tropical Agriculture is researching ways to make breadfruit more accessible globally, aiming to improve food security. Breadfruit flour is gaining popularity as a gluten-free alternative, offering a new avenue for people with dietary restrictions.
Despite its benefits, breadfruit is still underutilized globally, representing a vast opportunity for agricultural innovation.
Historically, breadfruit was brought to the Caribbean by Captain Bligh in the 18th century, a journey famously dramatized in the Mutiny on the Bounty.
This transported crop significantly impacted the diets and economies of various tropical regions, spreading its cultivation worldwide.
Cultivating breadfruit trees supports biodiversity, as they provide habitat for various bird and insect species.
Breadfruit is part of traditional agroforestry systems, which promote sustainable and eco-friendly farming practices.
Recent studies suggest that breadfruit protein is of high quality, containing a good balance of essential amino acids. Innovation in breadfruit harvesting and processing is key to unlocking its potential as a global food resource.
Breadfruit can also be made into snacks, chips, and even vegan meat substitutes, showcasing its versatility in modern cuisine.
The fruit skin contains natural latex, which has been used traditionally as a waterproofing material. Breadfruit festivals celebrate the fruit's cultural significance in many Pacific Islands, featuring it in various culinary competitions.
The crop plays a crucial role in traditional songs, dances, and artworks, embodying its deep cultural ties.
With its ability to grow in diverse tropical environments, breadfruit is an invaluable asset in ensuring food diversity.
Promoting breadfruit as a crop can contribute significantly to local economies, especially in rural communities reliant on agriculture.
Breadfruit's potential as a feed for livestock is an area of growing interest, offering a sustainable source of animal nutrition.
The global breadfruit market is expanding, with increasing demand in health food stores and gourmet restaurants.
Research on breadfruit's resistance to pests and diseases is vital for its cultivation in non-native regions.
Intercropping with breadfruit trees can enhance soil health and reduce the need for chemical fertilizers.
The fruit's ability to adapt to different soil types makes it a resilient choice for farmers in varying geographic areas.
Breadfruit is not only a source of food but also a symbol of resilience and sustainability in the face of environmental challenges.
As we conclude our journey into the world of breadfruit, it's clear that this underappreciated fruit holds the key to future food security and sustainable living.